Before joining UCL Gujranwala, I was afraid to speak English. I like the way of teaching here, so now I can speak with more confidence.
What's your name?
My name is Rayan Ahmed.
And in which class do you study?
I study in 3 class.
Are you satisfied with your studies?
Yes, I am satisfied with my studies.
Okay. Excuse me. What are you doing here at UCL Gujranwala?
I am studying here a spoken class to improve my English. Well, at UCL Gujranwala, I feel more confident because I practice English every day. Class environment is outstanding for the confidence development.
Okay, are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Excuse me, what's your name, please?
My name is Muhammad Mohit.
Mohit, what do you say about UCL Gujranwala?
I am a proud student of UCL Gujranwala and I am doing of spoken English course here. This course is very useful for me. I enjoy every English class.
What's your name?
My name is Zian Ahmed.
Mr. Zian, what do you do at UCL Gujranwala?
Yes, I do. I enjoy classes at UCL Gujranwala. I like the way of teaching here because it improves our confidence to talk others relaxedly.
Beta, what do you say about your course here at UCL?
My name is Ryan Fatima. I am 9 years old. I study in class 4. I proudly study at UCL Gujranwala, where I am doing spoken English course. I love learning new things. These courses helping me speak English better. I learned a lot. Further, I learning new things every day.
That's good. Beta, what main changes you got by joining UCL Gujranwala?
Before joining UCL Gujranwala, I was afraid to speak English, but now I can speak confidence.
Are you satisfied by your course here?
Yes, I am certified.
Beta, what's your name?
My name is Fariha.
Has your English improved here at UCL Gujranwala?
Yes, my English has improved a lot. My teacher always encouraged me to speak confidently. So now I can speak with more confidence. My favorite activity is speaking English with my classmates. I also like presentations and group activities.
Beta, what do you want to be?
I want to be a cardiologist.
Beta, what's your favorite activity in class?
My favorite activity is speaking English with my classmates. I also like presentations and group activities.
That's good. That's great. Beta, how is your experience here at UCL Gujranwala?
My experience at UCL Gujranwala is very good. I enjoy learning English here.